In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to another wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly what each screen means, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to send your funds safely. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap Assets. This is where you can see your balances and the different wallets inside Binance. For this process, we'll be working from the funding section, so tap Funding. The funding wallet is where features like card purchases, P2P, and certain transfers are managed, and it's also where the send option lives. Next, tap Send. You'll see different ways to transfer. Choose On-Chain Withdraw. This means you're sending your crypto through the blockchain to an external wallet, not just moving it within Binance. On-chain transactions are permanent once submitted, so double-check everything before confirming. Now, select the coin you want to transfer. Make sure the destination wallet supports this exact asset. For example, sending USDT only works if the other wallet supports USDT on the network you'll choose later. Enter the recipient's wallet address. The safest approach is to paste the address you copied from the destination wallet rather than typing it, then carefully verify the first and last few characters. If the coin you're sending requires an extra memo, tag, or note, common with coins like XRP, XLM, and BNB, Binance will prompt you. Only proceed if you have that memo from the receiving wallet. Leaving it out can result in a lost deposit. After that, select the network. This is crucial. The network must match the one used by the receiving address. For example, if the destination provides a network like Ethereum, choose the Ethereum network in Binance. Picking the wrong network can cause permanent loss of funds. You'll also see the network fee here, which varies by network. Enter the amount you'd like to send. You can type a specific number or use the available balance. Keep an eye on any minimum withdrawal amounts and the fee, so you know exactly what the recipient will receive. When everything looks correct, tap Withdraw. Review the summary carefully: asset, address, network, and amount, then confirm. You may be asked to complete security verification before Binance processes the transaction. Once submitted, the transfer will move to pending and then complete after the required confirmations. That's it, your crypto is on its way. Or